So for today, we're going to review first about the test that we are going to do. So I will share you the screen. So wait for a while. Okay, Baybun, did you see the screen now? Not yet.
No.
No, I don't see. I see
yes.
already.
See already.
Okay, so we're going to review about the group of animals, okay? So here are the different groups of animals. We have number 1 to number 5.
Bird.
Okay, who's that? Who is that? Can you read the following words, Cao Phang?
Teacher, อันนี้ทดสอบ teacher question ใช่ไหมอ่ะ
Earth review ก่อนค่ะลูก listen first, okay? Cao Phang, can you read, please?
Group of vegetable animals. Birds, mammals, fish, amphibians, and liches.
Reptiles. Say that again.
Reptile.
Okay, one more time. Thank you, Cao Phang. Focus. Can you read the following words, please? Focus. How about number Can you help Focus to read the following words, please?
Bird.
Yes.
Mammal.
Yes.
Fish. Amphibians.
Yes.
Reptiles.
Okay, na. So, can you give different example of birds? Let's start with Earth. Earth.
Teacher มีเหรอ
Yes. Can you give example of bird?
Bird เหรอ
Yes. Bird.
แป๊บนึง
You speak English, Earth.
Eagle.
Oh, teacher call Earth first. Who said the answer already?
Bawan.
Lawan. So we have eagle. How
Teacher,
about?
มี
Okay, on Earth.
แป๊บนึง teacher
Chicken. Okay, chicken. Okay, who can write on the screen? Can you write on the screen?
Dragon.
Okay, dragon. Okay. Can you write another example of bird? Dragon.
Yes.
Okay, na? Dragon. Yes ค่ะ ซูมแล้วค่ะ Dragon, can you write now? Oh, Peng. What Peng? It's not complete, Dragon. Can you do it again? Dragon. Finish, Dragon? Okay, penguin. Next. Very good answer. Next to dragon is Namo. Namo, can you give another example of bird? Can you write on the screen, Namo?
I cannot write on the screen.
Why?
I can write for Namo.
Who wants to for Namo?
Me. I want.
Oh, Cao Phang. Okay, Cao Phang. Cao Phang.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure you write it nicely. Teacher Erickson is in.
Turkey.
Teacher. Okay. Okay. How from what is your answer, please?
Turkey.
Wait for Cao Fang to write that.
Parrot. Okay.
Parrot. Okay, can you write it beside the penguin? Who wants to help Cao Fang?
Me.
Okay, who's that? Is that you,
Can.
Okay, can you help? How do you spell parrot, Cao Fang? What happened to penguin? Penguin is erased. Dragon, did you erase the penguin? Okay, just say the name of your answer, then teacher Anne will type it for you again, okay? So Dragon said, penguin, right? Let's see. Okay, Cao Fang said, parrot, right?
Turkey.
Turkey, okay, turkey. How about mammals? Let's move to the group of mammals. Let's start with Rapa. Can you write the answer on the screen, Rapa?
Okay, just wait.
Mammals. Okay. What are the different groups of mammals? So you look for the pencil there on the top of the slide so you can answer, okay? How about the other students while we are waiting for Rapa? Who can say the answer? How about Tylin? Okay, Rapa said lion. Very good. Tylin, can you write on the screen, please?
I can only pen.
Say it again.
I say she can write only pen.
Okay, okay.
But I can write.
Yes.
One.
Yes, Plawan?
One, teacher.
One what? No need to write on your notebook yet. Now we're still reviewing. So let me write it for you. Can you give different kinds of mammals? One example. What is another example of mammals, please?
Me?
Say it again.
Me?
Can you type it on the screen?
No.
No. Okay, who wants to have
Pen.
Say your name.
Pen.
Okay, Jitem. Next to Jitem, how about Seta? Seta, can you write on the screen, please?
I cannot.
Okay.
I only say.
Okay. It's okay.
Teacher, I can
Yes.
write.
Okay, wait for Jitem.
I can write two.
You can write too. Jitem, where is your answer? Teacher will write the answer for Jitem. So we need to do it quickly. Okay, Jitem, what is your answer, please? Oh, Plawan say panda. Panda. Plawan, can you write it beside the lion, please?
Teacher, wait, please.
Okay. Lawan, can you write it beside the lion? Okay, how about, okay, dog, very good. How about a? Another example for mammals, please.
Me, right?
Yes, you're going to write, not me write. Huh?
Cat. I cannot write it.
Why? You
Because
just, after the panda, write it after the panda.
my internet is not good.
Ah, okay, okay. So say the name and I will write for you a.
Cat. Cat.
Teacher Ann can't hear you clearly.
Cat.
Cat. Okay, a cat. Okay, how about the others? Let's move to fish. I want to hear the voice of Nudi. 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 Nudi, are you there? Make sure you open your camera, na.
อยู่ไหมลูกไหนเปิดกล้องสิ
Gypsy.
ถ้าไม่ติดธุระอะไรเปิดกล้องนะคะ ใครไม่ได้ติดธุระอะไรไม่ได้ออกไปไหนหนูดีอยู่ไหมเอ่ย
Nudi.
อืม
Later na. Later we have quiz, okay? So how about Pooh? Pooh, are you there? Pooh, the one who have glasses.
I want to answer. I want to answer too.
Okay, who wants to answer, please?
Namo.
Okay, Namo, can you answer this, please?
Shark. Please.
Say it again.
Shark.
Shark. Okay, very good. Shark. Next, Kant. Kant. Can you say the answer, please?
เขาแค่ตอบชื่อสัตว์เฉย
Kant. Can you type the answer if you want? You can type it.
I want to answer.
What's that?
Salmon. Salmon.
Salmon. Okay, salmon. Another answer, please.
Please.
Okay,
Molly.
Molly, very good. Next,
Me.
Tasneem. Okay, Tasneem.
Golden fish.
Guppies.
Guppies. Okay.
Me.
Okay, next. Is that Plawan?
Yes.
Okay, what's the answer?
Swordtail.
Swordtail, very good. Okay, now let's move to amphibians. Amphibians. Give example of amphibians, the one that can lay egg and survive in water, and when they grow old, they go to the land habitat. How about plume? Plume, please.
เขาแค่ให้บอกชื่อสัตว์เฉยๆว่าในกลุ่มนั้นมีสัตว์อะไรบ้างแค่นั้นแหละหนูแค่เปิดเฉยๆหาชื่อสัตว์อ่ะ
Oh, who's that? Who's that?
Namo.
Namo.
No.
What's that?
Ing.
Ing. Huh? Setang, can you give another example, please?
Todd.
Todd. Okay, very good. Todd. A family of frog?
ทอด
Yes.
ไฟเอ็ก
Say it again.
ทอดไฟ
No, it's a family of frog, a bullfrog. Called cod, not fried egg. How about the others? How about Nami? Nami, can you give another example of amphibians, please?
ที่ชอบมีสลันเดอร์สลันเดอร์
Say it again. Salamander.
yes
Salamander.
ที่ชอบ
Yes.
มีเปล่า
Who's that?
นิว
Say your name, please. Tishan can't hear clearly.
ที่ชอบมี
Who's me?
เอิร์ธ
Tanadi, not yet writing. Tanadi, what are you doing? No writing na. This one is review. Ow. Okay, can you translate to Tanadi? Tishan said what?
ทีเชอร์ยังไม่ให้เขียนหรือทำอะไรทีเชอร์แค่ให้ตอบเฉยๆแค่รี
Yes,
วิว
review.
ทบทวน
Thank you. How about Mongkon? Mongkon, can you give example of amphibians?
บลูฟอกปีเบียน
Say it again.
บลูฟอก
Bullfrog, right? Okay, next, let's move to reptiles. Rapa, reptiles.
snake
Snake, very good.
ทีเชอร์มี
Yes.
turtle
Turtle, okay, very good. Next, Dean.
frog
Frog. Frog is reptiles.
no
Reptiles have dry scales.
tortoise
Tortoise. Do you still have another answer?
นี่คอโคได
Okay, crocodile. Okay, so these are the following group of vertebrate animals, okay? We have birds, mammals, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. So any question about this? Who have question? Okay, no question. So now let's move to the next slide. So for our next slide, we're going to discuss about group of animals according to their food. Okay, we have herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to give examples, okay? Examples of animals that belongs to this group. Can you start to say one animals that belong to herbivores? Okay, what's your answer? Can you hear teacher Anne? Okay, who wants to help Dragon. Okay, dragon. Herbivores, please.
เชื่อมี
Giraffe.
ทีเชอร์
Next.
only tell the answer
Yes, only tell the answer, please. Next. Pailin. Rabbit. Next to Pailin, Bubbles.
Teacher ask me
A while ago, I asked you, but you're not, I think you're not there. Bubbles, what's your answer, please?
okay I know.
Okay, who wants to help Bubbles? Chino. Chino.
teacher.
What is the question? Okay, can you help Chino?
Horse.
Horse. Okay, very good. Horse.
Turtle.
Animals that belongs to herbivores. Now let's move to carnivores.
Lion.
Okay, we have lion,
Tiger.
tiger,
Crocodile.
crocodile,
Alligator.
lots. Now let's move to omnivores, animals that eat both plants and
Human.
Tortoise.
human. Bird,
Tortoise.
bear, tortoise. Okay. So these are the following only, only example. These are the following examples. Now you understand? Yes or no? Any question?
No, don't have.
Okay, now let me see. Everybody, get your science notebook.
Question.
Okay, who have question?
Dragon.
Dragon, yes?
What group is eagle eat?
Eagle?
Yes.
So eagle is carnivores, right?
Eat the
But,
meat. The fish.
yes, who's that? Earth.
ตอบอีกแล้วเหรอเมื่ออาทิตย์ก่อนตอบ Omnivore.
Translate to
Earth. Omnivore. Say what teacher?
Earth. Listen to Earth. Earth, translate to Earth na.
I didn't hear Earth. I hear. Okay, should them translate.
Okay, listen carefully. Last Friday, we have quiz, right? But we are not finished because you write it slowly, right? Yes or no? So we need to continue today. Okay, Earth? So a while ago, Dragon asked me, is that Dragon who asked about eagle? Yes or no?
Yes.
So eagles are carnivores. They eat little animals like chick, baby chick, small baby rabbits, or sometimes
baby
it
snake.
gets quite big. They eat lots of animals that they can see on the ground. Okay, okay, Dragon. Yes or no? Everyone ready?
The eagle can eat the snake.
Yes.
Day.
Okay, ready na? Only write the answer. Okay?
Write the date.
Yes, write the date.
Okay.
Okay, TM lang na. Ready na? So the first one, listen carefully. Write number 1 to 5 birds. Okay?
Not finish. Write the date.
Okay na? Okay, it's okay. Write 1 to 5 birds. And then write 6 to 10 fish. Earth. Bibi, what are you doing, Bibi? I'll give you only 5 minutes to write the answer. 1 to 5 birds, 6 to 10 fish. Mongkon, finish?
จะทำอะไรก็ไม่รู้ของเนี่ย
What? Meet your microphone, please.
ผมเนี่ย
Teacher
Yes. Yes, like the date. What's that?
โอมเดินฟิน
Okay. How about Bon, open your camera, please. Do not close your camera.
Teacher I don't finish
How many? How many not yet finished?
four only four number
Okay.
one teacher Nadia that finish
Okay, very good. Nadia, finish or not? Okay, I will read the choices again one more time. Okay. We have the first word, we have guppy. Second one, we have clownfish. We have shark, chicken, molly, swan, eagle, penguin, parrot, and swordfish.
Teacher, why is not swordtail? It's swordfish.
Oh, we have another one, okay? The swordfish is not the sword tail, okay? This swordfish is the one that have long nose like that.
Oh, I know. In the I
In the
see
cartoons, right?
in the pool. It's not.
teacher I finish already
It have many water, but it's not pool.
Yeah.
Can what take a body in country, teacher.
Mm-hmm. So I will show you the picture now. Wait for a while.
I play that. I get that. It
Swordfish.
have many.
I know finish but I don't know in English finish teacher
In Thai is ปลาเค็ม
This one. Tasnim, can you see this one?
มันคือปลาด่าง
I don't see.
ปลากระทงโลกใช่ปลากระทงโลกปลากระทงแดงปลาดาบ
I don't know.
You can find it. Look at the camera of teacher Anne.
ตัวมันบางมากอะเจ๊
Oh, Tasnim, look at the camera of teacher Anne.
แต่มันว่ายน้ำเร็ว
Okay.
I don't
Nadi, who is number 7 4/5? Let me see. Teacher Anne said, open your camera, na? I see. Oh, see.
It's very big
See.
and can fly. It can fly.
Oh, where is your camera, na? Don't close it, okay? Nudi, Gypsy, Tanika,
already teacher
Zeta.
teacher
Okay, everyone finish? Everyone finish, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move to the next slide. We have mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Titan, Tanika, Zeta, open your camera, please.
ได้ยินทีเชอร์ไหมคะ คนที่ปิดกล้องอยู่เปิดกล้องตอนนี้เลยค่ะ
Gypsy, do
เจ
not
ต้า
run.
ทำอะไรอยู่ เปิดค่ะ หนูดียังเรียนอยู่ไหมคะ
Okay, so what are we going to do next? We have 11 to 15, right? 11 to 15 for, let's see now, mammals, okay? Mammals. (11 to 15) animals that belongs to mammals. Next we have 16 to 20. Reptiles. And we have amphibians. So we have mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Teacher Ann will read the following words. Listen carefully. The first word we have is Todd. Second one, giraffe. We have axolotl. Axolotl is the walking fish or a Mexican salamander. Next we have human. Human. ได้ไหมขอบคุณมากค่ะใช่เรียนเสร็จแล้วเราก็สอนก่อนสอนอีก Okay, next we have human. After human we have snake, lion.
พี่เจอร์อะไร
Yes.
คือ L T U A N D A อ่ะพี่เจอร์อะไรคือ L T U A N
This one, axolotl. This one,
พี่เจอร์เนี่ยค่ะ L
อีกัวน่า
L G L G
L
U A N A อะครับอะไร
กอริลลาอีกัวน่า
oh, iguana. This one.
ไม่ใช่ตัว L ตัว I
This one is I. Big letter I, not L, na? Iguana. A family of lizard. So where are you going to put iguana? Iguana have dry scales, right? So next we have frog, turtle, crocodile, tortoise, elephant, monkey, iguana, and newt. Gypsy, open your camera. Khan, Nudi, Tanika, Titan. Titan, are you okay, Tanjan? Okay, na. Take your time. Are you okay,
yes
Yes. Yes?
may I go to toilet
Yes, you may. So I will read it again one more time. We have Todd, giraffe, axolotl, or known as Mexican salamander. Also, we have human. Well, where are you going to put human? Is human belongs to mammals, reptiles, or amphibians? Next, we have snake.
พี่เจอร์นับฟินิช
Yes, take your time. Lion, salamander, frog, turtle, crocodile, tortoise, elephant, monkey, iguana, and newt. If you're finished, don't forget to put sticker on your screen, okay? So teacher Ann can see.
already
Oh, double check your answer too, na? Don't forget to double check your answer.
so I'm finished already
Okay, nice. Very good. Earth, don't forget to open your camera. BB also. Hannah, Pan. Where's your camera? Okay, I saw you now.
I open
Okay, huh?
Finish already.
Very good. Is it easy or difficult? Yes?
easy.
Very easy, right?
Yes, and I'm eating.
Easy and not easy.
Easy and not easy. Why it's easy and not easy?
Medium.
Medium. Oh, which means average, right? Double check your answer now. You have time to double check your answer. Gypsy, your camera, please, Gypsy. Okay, I saw Tanika now. Oh, Tanika, why you close your camera again? Don't be shy. Can't, where is your camera? Can't? Seta, BB. Okay, if you're finished, you can go take a break. 5 minutes only, okay? 5 minutes break. Take your time now. I will not close it, okay? I will let the others to answer it. If you're finished, you can still go to toilet. If you're not finished, you can still write. Ơi, 5 minutes break ơi.
Vậy nào?
You break now?
Yes.
Can you go to toilet now, okay?
But it's so far.
Why, where are you?
I'm in for
Chicken. Next we have cat. Next to cat we have dog, panda, lion, elephant, human, cow, cheetah, crocodile, bear, tiger, rabbit, snake, and buffalo.
Finish.
Ooh, very fast.
finish.
Okay, wait for your... Oh, let's wait for Earth, okay?
ยังไม่ได้ทำสักข้อเลยไอคิดอยู่
Okay, we're going to wait for Earth to answer. Okay. I will check your answer na. Who's that? Read your microphone, please.
ส่วนงูก็กินแต่เนื้อใช่ปะ
ทีเชอร์ทีเชอร์
Yes.
เธอบีบอเป็นสัตว์กินข้าวเหรอสัตว์กินข้าว
Say it again.
กินเนื้อ
ไหนเรียนมาแล้วนะทิเชอร์ทบทวนหลายรอบแล้วนะ กินพืช ไม่ใช่เฉพาะข้าวลูกพืช พวกพืชอะค่ะ ทุกอย่างเลยพืชอะ
และสองก็เป็นเนื้อ
ใช่แล้ว
สามอะไร
3 กินทั้งพืชและสัตว์
Teacher I'm finished already
Okay, if you're finished, please put a sticker on your screen so I can see how many students are finished, okay?
ทีเชอร์ไอยังไม่ได้ทำไอขอทำ
Okay, okay, Earth.
ยี่ก่อน
So after this part, we're going to have another lesson for today, okay? Bon, properly, Bon. Make sure you don't forget to submit the picture to Teacher Anne. Okay, let me see who passed the PE and make sure you give the picture to Teacher Anne. Okay, na? Who's number 1 in 4/5? Who?
ชิโน
Shino.
ซีโน่ทีเชอร์
Shino. Shino, don't forget to submit the picture of to Teacher Anna last Friday. Didn't send or you sent already, Shino? Who is number 8 in 4/5?
every day sweat
Everyone finished the exam already? Yes or
yes
no?
yes and can sing
Can singing? Can singing? No. We're going to continue the lesson. Okay. Rapa, are you ready?
every day
Yes. Okay. So now we're going to continue the lesson regarding the classification of plants. Okay. About plants. So can you remember the different types of plants that we studied when you are in Patom 3? Who can remember?
How do plants grow?
So now I will show you a picture. I will show you a real plant, and then you need to identify where they do belong. Okay. So this one, what are these? Can you see Teacher Ann?
Yes.
So what are these? Flower. What is the name of this? Okay.
Roses.
Roses. So we have what color?
Red.
And
Red, pink,
red and pink. Okay, so we have red and pink roses. So what can you see on their stem?
is have an.
What are these?
I don't.
Who's that? Can you mute your microphone? Okay, one by one. So we have roses, right? Tanadi, Tanjay. Whose electric fan is that? Whose electric fan is that? Na? If you have electric fan, na? Okay, look carefully. Na? So we have roses. Okay, we have pink one and red one. So this belongs to flowering plants. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, so it is belong to flowering plants. Can we eat this one?
No.
Yes.
Oh, who say no? We cannot eat the petals?
We can eat. Yes, can eat.
Flower can eat.
Oh.
We can make cake.
Yes, we use the petals for decoration, and sometimes we use it. We can eat this one.
The
In cake.
I don't know flower can eat.
Flower cake. So the different baker or any decoration for sweets, right? Yes or no? So today we're going to classify different types of plants because our lesson for today is flowering and non-flowering plants. Page 15, science book. Do you have your science textbook?
Yes.
So science textbook, page 15, classifying plants. Okay, do you have your textbook with you now?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Teacher, that is so cute.
Yes. So as you can see, how to classify or how can we classify plants? Look carefully on your science textbook. Can you read what does the boy said? Dragon?
Yes.
Oh, can you read the boy? What does the boy said?
Okay. There are so many different kinds of plants. I wonder how scientists classify them.
Okay. I wonder, the boy said, how? How the scientist, the one who studied lot of things, right? How they can classify different plants? Do you have any idea how to classify them, Shino?
Teacher, I have.
Shino first, and after Shino, you can help.
Teacher.
Teacher said you need to listen carefully, right? how can the scientists or even normal people like us, how can we classify or group different plants?
Different plants are
Who wants to help Sheena? Can you help Sheena? Jitim. Okay, Jitim wants to help Sheena.
The plants that have flower and plants don't have flower.
Very good. So we can classify them if they have flower and don't have flower, which means flowering and non-flowering plants. Yes or no? Yes or no, Shino? So how about the other classification of plants? How about the other classification of plants or the group of different plants? We have 6 groups, right? So the 2 groups are flowering and non-flowering. Yes or no, Plume?
yes.
So can you name another group of plants? How can we classify them? Who can remember? What did you study when you're in Pratham 3? Earth, tanjay kaลูก. Who can remember the lesson last time? I teach you when you are in Pratham 3. Do you remember? We have flowering plants, plants that have flowers, and non-flowering plants, plants that don't produce flowers. How about the other 4 groups?
Come on, P4 T we don't.
No, not yet that one. We're talking about different groups first. So let me enlighten you about this one, okay? So we have, first, we need to identify the characteristic of plants. Yes or no? So when you say characteristic of plants, what do plants can do and cannot do? Okay, before we classify them. Of course, plants are fixed in one position. Yes or no? Do you remember this one? No need to write. This one is not in your textbook. This one is additional information about the lesson, okay? No need to write na. Who can remember this? What are the different characteristics of plants? We studied this one when you are in PT. When you say fixed in one position, they cannot move from one place to another place, okay?
I can remember that.
Who can remember?
I can remember that plant can
Can or can't?
can.
Teacher, do this.
No, kaลูก.
They can make their own food.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So they can make their own food through the help of what? Rapa. How can the plants make their food? What do they need?
Nutrients.
Say it again.
Nutrients.
Nutrients. Aside from nutrients, what are the 3 basic needs of plants to make food?
Water and sunlight. Water and sunlight.
Sunlight.
Soil.
Okay, of course, soil, they need it. And, okay, teacher Ann said 3, but we're going to put 4. Water, sunlight, soil, and?
Nutrients.
Are you sure? Are you sure? This one is the most important one.
Air.
Very good. Who said the answer?
Jitem.
Jitem. Additional points for Jitem. So, through the help of water, sunlight, soil, and air, Nah? But we only need to put the three, okay? To make food, they need water, they need sunlight, and they need air because they process their food in which part of the plant? Where do they make food? Mongkon. Through their stem? Through the flower? Or through the leaves?
Through the leaf.
พี่จีอันคอลมงคลนะคะโอเคโอ้ very very good โอ้ so มงคลOak said through their leaves okay additional score for Oak นะ so the plants make their food นะ in their leaves okay so Tichan said they are fixed in one position they can make their own food and the last one what is that another characteristic of plants. Any idea?
Make a good air.
They make a good air. They can make their own food. They are fixed in one position.
They can't move.
They can't move. So which is the first one? Fixed in one position.
They can make nitrogen into oxygen.
They can
can-
make.
Carbon dioxide.
They will
They
carbon
can make
dioxide in night.
in night. Another one. So they can ally. They can
eat water.
They can't.
Moving.
Okay, another answer, please. You said many things about plants, but the three basic.
They can breathe.
They can breathe. They can breathe through what? Nah? Because they can breathe through their
Leaf. Teacher, I know now.
stomata? Yes
They
or
have
no?
chlorophyll.
They have chlorophyll. Okay, we have lots of things to study about plants. Yes or no? Oak? So they can give us oxygen, right?
Yes, but
So
they will give carbon dioxide in night.
So these are the few samples of characteristic of plants. Nah? Okay, so we will continue this one about plants next time. But today, we're going to focus about flowering and non-flowering plants, okay? So let's move to the next slide. Let's see what is this next slide. Okay, what are the different group of plants? So we have the first two group of plants. We have flowering plants. Okay, I will make it color black first. So you will color red so you can see it.
And ping pong.
And bigger, okay? So we have flowering plants.
And non-flowering plant.
Very good. And
Non-flowering plants.
Okay, which means they can produce flowers, okay? Oops. Let's make this one smaller, the other one. And let's make non-flowering plants bigger. So do you have any idea what are the different group of plants? What do you call the one that we can eat? The one that we can eat is called edible plants. And the one that we can't eat is called inedible plants. Okay? So we have 4 already, huh? Next, we have land plants and water plants. Okay, so these are the different group of plants, okay? But we are going to focus on flowering and non-flowering plants. But before we focus and start to discuss about flowering and non-flowering plants, I want you to write it in your notebook. I'll give you 5 minutes to write.
Teacher เขียนใส่โน้ตบุ๊กเหรอ
Yes, only this na. Look carefully at teacher Ann. No need to write the question, okay? Do not write the question. You need to write, okay, I will move first. And then, no need to write the question. You need to write group of plants, okay? Group of plants. I'll make it bigger. Or classification of plants. Then write the 6 words. Huh? Earth. Earth, can you hear teacher Ann? Earth, huh? I will circle the words that you need to write. Only this, okay? Earth.
อ่านให้ทีเชอร์ฟังเหรอ
Yes, I can hear you, Earth.
โอ้โห
Write only group of plants and then flowering, non-flowering, edible, inedible, land plants, and water plants. Only that. Okay?
flower
Flower like this one. Like the one that teacher showed. This one, right? This belongs to
right
This belongs to flowering plants, okay?
ตีกรอบด้วย
No need to put in the box, okay? Just write it in the normal way. So now let's move to the next slide. Teacher Ann will explain to you what are the difference between flowering plants and non-flowering plants, okay? Ready to listen? So in your science book, we have different kinds of flowering and non-flowering plants. When you say flowering plants, it's called angiosperms, okay? Flowering plants is also called angiosperm, while non-flowering plants called gymnosperms. Okay, these are the 2 terms for flowering and non-flowering plants. So the next slide is about the first flowering plants that what do you call that? The scientists, they found out that during 125 million years ago, they found something in the fossils. This is resembled as a water lily, but they found it in deep sea fossil. Means, what it means, Rabba? Fossils.
I know
Okay, who wants to help
โครง
Rabba?
กระดูก is fossil is โครงกระดูก
In English.
The death of the animal or the plant.
Yes, okay. So they found out a fossil of flowering plants. The first flowering plants that they ever noticed or found out during 125 million years ago. Nah, they said it looks like water lily. They said that it's looked like water lily. So this first ever flowering plant is called, okay, this is the name na. I will underline it for you. You can see it color red. It is known as Archifractus sinensis, okay? Archifractus sinensis. So you can find that one in your science book, page 17. Science book, yes?
What book
Yes.
is textbook?
Textbook.
Textbook page ไหนอ่ะ
Textbook, page 17.
Don't write in the
No need to write. We're going to read, okay? So in your textbook, we're going to read about the information about the fossil during ancient flowering plant, okay? Who wants to read the words that you see in your science book, page 17? Let's see, how about Tasnim? Can you read Tasnim?
Yes.
Okay.
The following name, this one, teacher ขีดเส้น
No, the one that's
Oh.
in your textbook.
Okay.
When land plants, page 17.
Okay, teacher. Thailand
No, not that
National.
one, not that one. Wow, the one who is in wow, okay?
When land plant first
Appeared
appeared about 400 million years ago, most of them were
flowering,
flowering plants. Slowly, they began to produce flower, fruits, and seeds. The first
flowering
plant was
thought
to be from the
Archifractus
Archifractus
genus.
The picture shows a fossil which was found in Liaoning province, China.
Okay, so during the years or million years, the fossil that we can find in every stones or when we dig into the soil, we can find different things, right? So when they are digging, they found this fossil flowers, which is called Archifractus sinensis, which is, they said, it looks like a water lily, okay? Looks like a water lily, which means water lily lives in what? In soil or in water? Water. So these plants also produce seeds, okay? And flowers, as you can see in front of you, the tip of these plants are flowers, and then you also see the different leaves, okay? Who have question with this slide, please? Okay, no question. So let me see, who can guess the next slide? What? Flowering, very good. So this one is flowering. What is the name of these flowering plants? Very good. So this is Ratchapruk, okay? The Thailand's national flower. So in English, it's also known as golden shower, okay? They have a long fruit. This one is fruit, but we cannot eat them, okay? And inside, they have the brown seeds. Okay, as you can see in front of you now, brown seeds, and then black fruit. Okay, yellow flowers. Cannot eat na. I never tried to eat this one. Maybe it's poisonous. Have you ever tried to eat this one, eh?
No.
No. Okay, now so this is belong to flowering plant or non-flowering plant?
Flowering.
Flowering plants. Okay, very good. Do you have any question with your national flower, Ratchapruk? Any question? Okay, who's that? Who's saying me?
Teacher ว่า
Yes.
พฤษภี2 color และ color yellow กับ color green
Color yellow?
color green เหรอ teacher
What did you say? Right? Color green?
รอบอาทิต
Teacher
ย์เหรอ
asked what is a Ratchapruk color?
Yellow. Most of them are color yellow. I never seen Ratchapruk color pink. Nah. Okay, Earth? Earth, are you still there?
โอเค teacher
Okay, now let's see. So when you say flowering plants, now angiosperms, now they are plants that produce flowers. And then these flowers turn into what? Oak. The flowering plants, the flower will turn into what? They turn into fruits, right? Yes or no, Oak?
Yes.
As you can see, this is the tomato flower. Not potato na, tomato or tomato, okay? It's called tomato plant or tomato plant, okay? So, the flower, as you can see, is color yellow too. Na? When the flower grows and then the petals fall out, you can see the tomato fruit, okay? Tomato fruit. And then inside, they have their seeds, okay? Now, angiosperm can be many different kind of flowering plants that sometimes we can eat. Now, we can eat the flowers, we can eat their fruit, and we can eat their seeds, okay? We have grains. Can you name the different or one example of flowering plants? Yes.
It have another one tomato is cherry tomato.
Yes, the cherry tomato, the smaller one. Okay.
Yes.
So who can give example of grains that we can eat from flowering plants? Grains, na? We eat it every day. What is that?
Rice.
Very good. Who says the answer?
Okay.
Same. Yes, rice. Very good. Now 10 points. How about the beans? Can you name different kinds of beans?
Walnuts.
Walnuts? That is nuts. Belongs to nuts. How about beans? Any idea about beans? Say it again.
Green bean.
Green bean or
green bean.
green bean or mung bean, the color green one, right? We boil it and then we put sugar and then we can eat it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, and then we can eat the fruits from flowering plants, okay? But some of them we cannot eat, especially the one that we can found in the forest, okay? Because if we are not knowledgeable about the fruits in the forest, we can die when we eat the poisonous one. Yes or no? We
Yes.
only see the common fruits in the forest like coconut, bananas, mangoes, if they have, right? Yes or no, Plume?
Yes, but they are not have.
Yes, nah. So we're going to stop the lesson in this slide and we will continue it tomorrow, okay?
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, any question about this?
Don't have.
That's me thinking.
Don't have.
Okay, don't have that.
Yes.
Bye.
Everybody,
Thank you,
wait.
Joanne.
Teacher.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Next
Bye
time.
bye.
See you later. Okay.
ถามครู
Later
ในไล
นะ
ฟ์ส่วนตัวนะ
Later.
อย่าลืมนะวันนี้มีซูมนะบ่ายนะลูกนะ
Who have Zoom
นิด
later?
นะรีบมาด้วยนะคะ
Okay
อย่าลื
นะ
มคอนเน
eat
ค
lunch
นะ
quickly. Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.